Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're diving into one of the top choices in electrical solutions, the Hubbell Raco 6500BR rectangular floor box kit. Known for its quality and reliability, this floor box kit is designed to meet the demands of modern electrical installations. Combining functionality with a sleek design, the Hubbell Raco 6500BR is a standout product in the market for several reasons. It features a durable metallic cover plate finished in elegant brass, making it not only robust but also aesthetically pleasing for any environment. This kit includes a 15-amp, 125 volts tamper-resistant receptacle, ensuring safety and compliance with modern electrical standards. It can be adjusted up to 3 by 4 inches to accommodate various floor box assembly needs, providing flexibility during installation. Meeting the 50514A scrub water standard, this floor box kit is designed to withstand harsh conditions, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With its compact design and straightforward installation process, the Hubbell Raco 6500BR is praised for being easy to install even in tight spaces. Choosing the Hubbell Raco 6500BR means investing in a product that not only meets but exceeds expectations in terms of quality, durability, and design. Whether you're upgrading an existing setup or starting a new project, this floor box kit provides the reliability and safety necessary for modern electrical installations. In conclusion, the Hubbell Raco 6500BR rectangular floor box kit is a top contender in its category, offering a blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. With its adjustable features, tamper-resistant receptacle, and robust build, it's clear why this product stands out among its peers. For anyone looking to enhance their electrical infrastructure with a reliable solution, the Hubbell Raco 6500BR is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.